Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of drinking a simple concoction, a glass of water with baking soda on an empty stomach. This powerful combination has gained popularity for its potential healing properties and numerous health benefits. So, grab a glass of water, and let's dive into why this simple drink could be a game changer for your health. First and foremost, let's talk about the potential healing properties of mixing baking soda with water. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile ingredient used for centuries for its medicinal properties. When combined with water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that can help neutralize acidity in the body, making it a powerful tool for maintaining overall health. One key benefit of drinking water with baking soda is its impact on kidney health. By maintaining a healthy pH balance in the body, this drink can support the proper functioning of the kidneys and help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, the alkalizing properties of baking soda may also aid in managing high blood pressure, a common health concern affecting millions worldwide. Furthermore, this simple drink can also offer relief for various digestive issues. If you struggle with constipation or acid reflux, drinking water with baking soda on an empty stomach may help alleviate symptoms and promote better digestion. The alkaline nature of baking soda can neutralize excess stomach acid, relieving heartburn and indigestion. In addition to digestive health, incorporating this drink into your daily routine may support weight loss efforts. Baking soda has been shown to help regulate metabolism and promote fat loss, making it a valuable tool for those looking to shed extra pounds. Starting your day with a glass of water and baking soda kickstart your metabolism and enhance your weight loss journey. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the benefits of drinking water with baking soda and how it can transform your health and well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. How to use baking soda to lower creatinine levels. Incorporating baking soda into your daily routine may be a simple yet effective solution to support healthy kidney function and lower creatinine levels. In this segment, we'll discuss using baking soda to promote kidney health and reduce creatinine levels. However, always consult a healthcare professional before significantly changing your diet or health regimen. The recommended dosage of baking soda for lowering creatinine levels is typically around 1/2 to 1 teaspoon mixed in a glass of water. However, baking soda is highly alkaline, so starting with a small amount is crucial, and the dosage should be gradually increased as needed. Consuming this mixture on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning, can help maximize its benefits and support kidney function throughout the day. Before embarking on a baking soda regimen to lower creatinine levels, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. While baking soda is generally safe for most individuals when used in moderation, it's always best to seek guidance from a medical professional to ensure it's the right approach for your specific health needs. While baking soda can benefit kidney health and lower creatinine levels, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and side effects associated with its use. Consuming too much baking soda can lead to alkalosis, a condition characterized by excess alkalinity in the body, which can disrupt normal bodily functions. Additionally, individuals with high blood pressure or heart conditions should use caution when incorporating baking soda into their routine, as it can affect blood pressure levels. By following these guidelines and consulting with a healthcare provider, you can safely explore baking soda's benefits for supporting healthy kidneys and lowering creatinine levels. Stay tuned for more insights on how this simple ingredient can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Managing high blood pressure with baking soda. In this segment, we'll explore the potential benefits of using baking soda and water as a natural remedy to help manage high blood pressure. Discover how this simple yet powerful combination can support cardiovascular health and contribute to better blood pressure regulation. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your health routine. Baking soda, when mixed with water, can positively impact blood pressure regulation due to its alkalizing properties. By creating an alkaline environment in the body, baking soda may help balance pH levels and reduce acidity, contributing to lower blood pressure. This natural remedy offers a gentle yet effective way to support cardiovascular health and promote overall well-being. While incorporating baking soda into your routine to manage high blood pressure, monitoring your blood pressure levels regularly is crucial. Keep track of changes in your readings and consult your healthcare provider to ensure that baking soda suits your blood pressure management plan. By staying informed and proactive, you can effectively track your progress and make adjustments as needed. To incorporate baking soda into a healthy lifestyle for blood pressure management, consider mixing 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and consuming it on an empty stomach in the morning. This simple ritual can kickstart your day on a healthy note and support your blood pressure goals. Additionally, focus on maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and engaging in regular physical activity to enhance the benefits of baking soda for blood pressure management. By following these guidelines and adopting a holistic approach to managing high blood pressure, you can harness the potential benefits of baking soda and water as a natural remedy for cardiovascular health. Stay tuned for more insights on how simple lifestyle changes can significantly impact your blood pressure and overall well-being. Relief from constipation and acid reflux. In this segment, we'll explore how drinking water with baking soda can relieve common digestive issues such as constipation and acid reflux. Discover how baking soda may alleviate these discomforts and learn how to incorporate this natural remedy into your daily routine for optimal results. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and lifestyle is critical to long-term relief from digestive issues. When baking soda is mixed with water, it creates an alkaline solution that can help neutralize excess stomach acid, making it a valuable tool for addressing digestive issues like constipation and acid reflux. The alkalizing properties of baking soda balance pH levels in the digestive tract, reducing acidity and promoting smoother digestion. This can help alleviate symptoms of constipation by softening stool and promoting regular bowel movements, as well as provide relief from acid reflux by neutralizing stomach acid and soothing the esophagus. For optimal results, consider consuming a mixture of 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. This timing allows the alkaline solution to work magic on your digestive system and kickstart your day with improved gut health. While baking soda can offer immediate relief for constipation and acid reflux, it's essential to listen to your body and adjust the frequency of consumption based on your individual needs. In addition to incorporating baking soda into your routine, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle to support long-term relief from digestive issues. Focus on consuming fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity to promote healthy digestion and overall well-being. By combining the benefits of baking soda with a holistic approach to gut health, you can experience lasting relief from constipation and acid reflux while supporting your digestive system for optimal function. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how simple remedies like baking soda and water can transform your digestive health and enhance your overall quality of life. Weight loss support with baking soda. In this segment, we'll explore the potential role of baking soda in supporting weight loss efforts and how this simple ingredient can aid digestion, metabolism, and overall weight management. Discover how incorporating baking soda into your daily routine can complement your weight loss journey and enhance your results. Combining baking soda with a healthy diet and regular exercise is vital to achieving effective and sustainable weight loss. Baking soda may help support weight loss by aiding digestion and metabolism. When mixed with water, baking soda creates an alkaline solution that can help neutralize stomach acid, promote smoother digestion, and alleviate bloating and gas. By improving digestive function, baking soda may enhance nutrient absorption and support a healthy metabolism, which is essential for weight management. To incorporate baking soda into a weight loss regimen, consider mixing 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and consuming it on an empty stomach in the morning. This simple ritual can help kickstart your metabolism, promote better digestion, and support your weight loss goals. Additionally, you can add baking soda to smoothies, juices, or other beverages to reap its benefits throughout the day. While baking soda can support weight loss, it's important to emphasize the importance of maintaining a balanced diet and engaging in regular exercise for optimal results. Focus on consuming various nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, to fuel your body and support your weight loss efforts. Incorporating regular physical activity, such as cardio, strength training, or yoga, can further enhance the benefits of baking soda for weight management. Combining baking soda's potential benefits with a holistic approach to weight loss, including a healthy diet and exercise routine, maximize your results and achieve sustainable weight loss. Stay tuned for more insights on how simple remedies like baking soda can support your weight loss journey and help you reach your health and wellness goals. From promoting digestive health to supporting weight loss and managing high blood pressure, baking soda offers a range of potential benefits for overall well-being. Remember to approach its use with caution, moderation, and guidance from healthcare professionals to ensure safe and effective results. Baking soda's potential healing properties make it a versatile remedy for addressing various health issues. Whether you want to alleviate constipation and acid reflux or support kidney function, incorporating baking soda into your routine can offer relief and promote better health outcomes. Its alkalizing properties can help balance pH levels in the body, neutralize acidity, and support optimal digestion and metabolism. When using baking soda for health purposes, practicing moderation and consulting with healthcare professionals before making significant dietary changes is crucial. While baking soda is generally safe for most individuals when used appropriately, it's essential to consider individual health conditions, medications, and potential interactions before incorporating it into your daily regimen. By seeking guidance from healthcare providers, you can ensure that baking soda suits your health routine. We encourage viewers to explore further information on baking soda and its benefits for overall health to deepen their understanding of this natural remedy. Whether through research, consultations with healthcare professionals, or experimenting with different uses, there is much to discover about the potential applications of baking soda for enhancing health and well-being. Stay curious, stay informed, and continue to explore the wonders of natural remedies like baking soda for a healthier, happier life.